Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy creamy mushroom pasta. I actually came up with this recipe very last minute. I did make it about a month ago. I simply had some leftover mushrooms and cream and was craving pasta, so I came up with this dish. And this dish only requires literally 6 ingredients, so it's really quick and easy, and more time you probably have these in your fridge anyway. So first you start off by peeling, chopping and also dicing your onions. And then mince up some fresh garlic. You can also use frozen garlic if you'd like, but I just like the flavour of fresh garlic. So once your onions are chopped and your garlic is minced, it's then time to chop up your mushrooms. So I then wash the mushrooms and then I also cut them in big slices. Don't worry about them being too big because they will sweat down once they're cooked. And as of now, all your prep is done. No more slicing and chopping is needed. Next, in a non-stick separate pan, I added some olive oil along with the onions and I browned them slightly. So just before the onions browned, I then added in the garlic. Also remember the measurements will be in the caption. When the onions start looking a little bit like this, it's then time to add in the mushrooms. Once I've added in the mushrooms, I'm keeping the heat to a medium-low because I don't want the onions to continue to burn or the garlic or the mushrooms. Make sure to give the mushrooms a very good mix, and then I also added in a spoon of butter as well. The butter is optional, but I feel like it gives the mushrooms a very nice flavour and brings them out a lot more in the dish. You will notice that the mushrooms will shrink to being really small, hence why I use quite a lot in the dish. But yeah, just before the mushrooms completely shrink, I added in some seasonings. So for the seasonings, I used some chili flakes, salt, pepper and also some paprika. So I actually recorded this video at my grandparents' house. And instead of the paprika, I would use cajun instead. It's just that they didn't have any. But then if you don't have any cajun and you'd rather use paprika, that's cool as well. So once your seasonings are in, make sure to give it a good mix. And when your mushrooms are looking a little bit like this, it's then time to add in your double cream. Also with the cream, it is optional. If you do want to make the pasta without the cream, that'll be fine. I have made it before and it did taste really good. I just ended up using a different type of pasta and it actually was really nice. So once the cream is added, turn the heat to low and just allow everything to come together. So before adding in your boiled pasta, make sure to try the sauce and see if you need to add any more extra seasonings. I end up adding a little bit more paprika. Once the sauce is exactly how you like it, I then just added in the boiled pasta and mixed it well. Make sure to give it all a good mix. I personally prefer using penne pasta for these types of creamy dishes, simply because I like how the sauce goes in the pasta. And then the last and final part of the dish is to add in the cheese. Make sure to mix it well and you're basically done. I also have to say this meal was so quick and easy to make. It's literally done within 20 minutes. It's also pretty much budget friendly and you do get a good portion out of this, which you can also put in the fridge and eat for the next day or two. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I do have plans to make a lot more pasta videos which are really quick and easy, considering a lot of you guys enjoy pasta just as much as I do. Also, new videos will be uploaded on my YouTube channel every single week, so make sure to keep your eye out for them.